Okay, everyone, so we just made our first single crochet. Now we're going to put 3 back post single crochets in the next triple crochets. I finally said it right. Okay, so now all we're going to do, remember, is take your triple crochets. Again, this is how I do it. Insert your hook behind, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's all you do. Don't think about it too much. Bring up your triple crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through. That's it. Bring up your triple crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's all you got to do. And then in the single crochet, you single crochet. Okay? And I will go through these next 7 just for you. So go ahead and do that through the 7 triple crochets and then single crochets and then single crochet on the single crochet and then your 7 back post single crochets. So that is your pattern all the way down till you get to the single crochet, and then I will meet you when you get to this single crochet. So go ahead and do that, and I will meet you to the single crochet.